Work with custom Lightning components. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to install a custom Lightning component. Use your mobile device to preview your app in the Salesforce mobile app. Custom Lightning components in the Lightning App Builder. Creating a custom Lightning component requires programming skills, or you can install an existing Lightning component from the App Exchange. Important: point-and-click admins can do this unit. We are providing you with a custom component that's already configured, so don't worry, you don't need programming skills to earn this badge. You can create a custom Lightning component using two programming models: Lightning Web Components and Aura Components. See this module: Aura Component Basics and Lightning Web Component Basics. Custom components in your org that are configured for use in the Lightning App Builder appear in the Lightning Components pane. Just there, I think we already even created one, I'm not sure. Your custom Lightning components don't automatically work on Lightning pages or in the Lightning App Builder. To make a custom component usable on both, you need to configure the component and its component bundle so that they are compatible with the Lightning App Builder and the Lightning pages. Depending on the Lightning component programming model that you are working with, this is Lightning Aura Component Developer Guide and the Lightning Web Component Developer Guide for details. Deploy my domain in your org. The custom components we are providing for this module have already been configured for the Lightning App Builder. My domain is already on in your Trailhead playground. That's right. Do not attempt to turn on my domain or change its settings in your Trailhead playground. By default, my domain is already active with every Trailhead playground. That's the stuff you see here, like playful move, blah blah blah. In your production org, my domain lets you create a subdomain unique to your organization. With my domain, you replace the instance URL that Salesforce assigns to you, such as na17.lightning.force.com, with your chosen subdomain. For example, mydomainname.lightning.force.com. My domain is required to create custom Lightning components and set up single sign-on SSO in an org. To learn more about my domain, check out this knowledge article. To learn about how to activate it in your production org, see the user authentication module. And we are not going to do this now. So let's install a custom Lightning component. We are providing a custom opportunity alert Lightning component that you can add to your Lightning page. Let's install it in your org. Launch your Trailhead playground by going to any unit with a hands-on challenge, scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking launch. If you see a tab in your org labeled install a package, great, follow the steps below. Click the install a package tab, paste this into the field. Okay, let's do this. So I followed this link and installed it. I think it's another one. This one is like by SalesBiz, something like that, private company, and this is apparently officially from Salesforce. So the installation is complete. Let's click done. But actually I'm in another Salesforce instance now, which is not so great, but let's see. So I couldn't sort out the installation login issue, so I just installed it in another one and in another playground, and yeah, we will do that there. So I've installed it here, and let's continue. Okay, we can't really do that on the previous one because this is another playground. But anyway, we can add the opportunity alert component now above the list view component. So let's see where we have it here. There we have it. In the properties pane, change days since last modified to 6. Did you notice that the text inside the component changed to match the new field value? Yes, we did. Deselect has open task and click save. Test the custom component. This is for the support homepage. Let's see. Not sure if this is active. I'm just going to activate this real quick in case this was deactivated. Let's make this. Okay, this is for the service console. So let's go there. To close these. And then we go to the service console. And this is the support homepage, so I guess it's this one. Recent cases, today's task, today's event. No, it's definitely not this one. Well, let's see if it's this one. Loading quite slowly. So I found it here. It's the home page, the home of the service console. See the recent cases there, the opportunity alerts, today's events, today's tasks, and that kind of stuff. And here you see the opportunity alert. These prospecting opportunities have not been modified for 6 days, so this is what this is about. Test the custom component. Mobile, we are not going to do this. Here, that's what we have done already, so let's go to the Handson challenge. Create a Lightning app using custom components. To easily organize and access your important contacts, create a Lightning app using Lightning App Builder that uses a custom component. For the challenge in the previous unit, build an app home lightning page. Find the username and password for your Trailhead playground. Install this unmanaged package. Okay, I'm going to do this now. I hope this works because I don't want to redo this again. Installation complete. I think I will have to create a page named my data, otherwise this is not going to work. And there I'll add the component, and yeah, I hope this works. So let's see. I'm not really sure what kind of page this was, if it was an app, or if it was a home page, record page. It was an app page, so let's just create this, my data. Drag the contacts today somewhere there and save and activate it, and let's see if that works. Let's add this to sales and to mobile as well and save it. And let's see if this works or if I really need to like replicate it. I see like the reports dashboard is another one, so we actually need to reload this because it's not going to work there. And I actually got the 500 points, it seems. Let's have a look. Here, so this works. Everything is completed, interesting. Even though this was in the wrong playground, apparently it didn't check properly or whatever. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this final video was still helpful. And yeah, if you would like to see more videos, hit subscribe. If you liked it despite not being very informative, click the like button, and if you have any feedback, whether positive or negative, just post it below. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day.